Alright, hello everyone. We are going to be streaming some good old game development today. So let me switch over to... come on up. Okay, let's switch over here for a quick second so that I can just take a quick look where I was last. Currently I'm in the menu. Let's go over to some of the other scenes. Wait, actually, was I planning to do something? Oh, right, yeah, okay. Now I remember what I need to do. So I figured out that there's a bug with the song importing stuff. So I need to somehow maintain an object even after like the scene reloads. Either that or I can make it in a additive thing. But then I'd have to like use a different way to do this. For example, like here I'm using this to find the music, but the music in reality would not be there. It would be here in the main menu whilst also loading the other thing, which would work, but like, do I really want to just go back on all that? Give me a second. I'll try to see if I can... do something about this. Also, I think the music is a bit too loud, isn't it? Comparatively to my voice. I think my voice needs to be a bit louder. I don't know. Okay, so we could try to get this thing as a global variable that transits over like scene changes. Since after all we do get like a thing before the scene change here. Let's see if we can do this here. So like here it just loads the scene. However, we need to like grab audio source thing, or clip, whatever. But like, anyway, yeah, that's quite possible. Okay. So let's just do additive here so that we can load load scene mode dot additive. Do I not have... Oh, I forgot that I started writing it like this instead of importing the scene management thing. Whatever, doesn't matter. Reset the level here, yeah. So here we're gonna reset the level, but like we're not gonna instantly do everything. First we're gonna add it as like another scene. But first, before this, we need to grab a reference by like using an audio source like this. Reference the source object, get component audio source. Okay. Game object dot find string name music get component audio source, so this gets the component, resets the level, well, loads the level again, and then we're gonna need to find basically this same thing again, just audio source D. Just the one, maybe? Wait, like, when there's like multiple things, what does it return? Let's go at ChatGPT. Oh, I forgot to switch scenes. Let's see what ChatGPT says. Oh, interesting. No, I don't need an example. I get what you mean here. Okay, let's switch back to cold mode. So we need to find it across the scene by doing like um I love how broken this shit is. Okay, whatever. So we're gonna have to like search through the scenes and oh, I think I figured out something. I can just like give this thing the do not destroy thing, but like this will have to be specific to this specific one. So like Let's go ahead and make another variable here. Public string public pool do not destroy equals false, and by getting this we can set it to do not destroy. Just need to check how to do that. Okay, so wait, I'm pretty sure we can do this like a much easier way. I can probably just create one more thing or specifically meant to hold on to this. So let's just change over to Unity, create a new script. Wait for it to load up. Let's open it in Visual Studio. Now, so let's switch back. So now that we want to like on start, we want to get like a reference to actually, do we need to get the reference or do we just need to get the parent? Sure, but we're gonna do it via referencing. Public public game object game job. What? Where is the? Oh. Dude, what the fuck? Object. The game object. Whatever, it doesn't matter. Now see music. So I guess just don't destroy and load. Load, see music. So this should be enough to like stop it from getting destroyed upon loading a new thing. So let me go copy a file from my thing so that I can like, oh wait, I forgot to like add it to C music back in level X. Where's slow scenes level X? C music needs to get a script called do not destroy and load. So okay, so now this will prevent it from getting destroyed, but we also need to like clean up the actor once we load it into level 3. I mean, not level 3. Once we load it to main menu, because if we go into main menu, it's gonna persist with the sound coming up. So on start, we need to do anything here that like has a script. If you're hearing the rain, there's like heavy rain outside, so I get it. Heavy rain. The game is called Heavy Rain. Sure, click start L1 works. Add script. This was like the load level script, so it doesn't really matter what I do with it, as long as I don't touch anything in the load level thing. So on start, we want to game object. Oops, that's supposed to be a big game object in big G. Find. Oh, actually, just destroy that game object dot find dot C music. Okay. So this will start when the thing is, and like just wait until. So like, let's go back to Avalanche. Yeah, it's actually C with a small c. Okay, that's good. Let's hop back over to level main menu. Okay, so now that we're here, we can like, well, let's say plan to do. All right, yeah, test it out. So let's go ahead and press custom. I'm gonna pause the music that I have set for the stream real quick so that I can see if everything's okay with this. Where the hell is the Firefox window? There. Okay. Let's copy downloads and then a.wav. I completely forgot what this was, so I don't know. 0.055. Why is it taking this long? Oh, okay then. What the fuck is going on? Oh, okay. Yeah, this is gonna crash that. Oh, okay. Oh, right, I forgot. Ah, that was the biggest forget moment of my life. I forgot to unload. Okay. So what happened there was back here on reset on touch, I ended up changing this to have scene mode additive instead of like the normal, like singular, which would make it, you know. So downloads a.wav from 0. Oops. Okay, well that gives us a second to like change this 0.0 7.5 probably, because like last time it was too fast. Yeah, that's good. Oh yeah, it works. What I need to do is set the thing back to default. What happened here? Does master spawner what happened there? Did it just reset itself? I think it did. So what I need to find a way to like not destroy it on the start. Not destroy it on load without like losing that much easier. So what happened there was like it changed back to its default, which meant that like even though it was taking in the music, it wasn't working properly. Also, I need to set the music to reset itself to like 0 seconds. So I guess I could do like basically what I did here, and then like on the start of random object spawner, uh, so it will basically take C music, and if it doesn't get it, then like it'll go null. And if it does get it, then it will save it. Okay, wait. Audio source, object, get component, audio source. So first I wanted to set the time to 0. What? Oh. The fuck you mean I can't set it to fucking... That literally makes no sense. I literally did that time to be able to set it here. Okay, whatever. Source.time 0 float. Now, as for the other thing, how am I going to make that persist? Like the beat threshold, which is like the thing that we need to make persist. Oh hell, even the fucking audio source, the time thing, we need to make persist. Maybe global variables? Not author script, I mean just in general. Being scenes. I should probably switch over to the browser, yes, you can see what I'm doing. create a static class to hold data only. Since it's static, you don't need to assign it to a game object, i.e. you don't need to create an instance of it. You can simply access your data such as class name that variable equals data. No instance or singleton required. You can access your data anywhere in the project. No extra code to pass it to web. So, I guess, sure. Or don't destroy and load. Find to a class where it can be executed once. All mono-behavior jobs, for example, coroutines, can be done safely. Because I will probably need to adjust using the saving it in a file sounds like an actual thing, because like it would also help later with exporting it if you want to export it to someone else so that they can check it out and then importing it. Yeah, that's also an issue, but style class, yeah, sure. But like, how do you? Is this a class? Okay, yeah, this is a. How do you? Okay. Let's go ahead and create a player static. A static thing for this to carry these. Create C# script. Level info. Okay. Public static. Why? Sure, whatever. How? Then how did this guy like? Oh wait, it probably can't be assigned to a game object. That's why it's screaming at me. Public static. Right, then I shouldn't be allowed to like use game object things, because like that's not how it's meant to be used. Okay, so let's create a few public static variables. One will be for the beat hash. Let's do get and set. Why is it not working? Why the fuck is it not working? Type or namespace definition or end of file expected. The fuck you mean? It literally is the end of file, you bitch. But bitch. Okay, what if we copy these? Oh, magically it works when I copy them over. Okay then. Alright. Let's just delete this. It's public static. We're gonna need the float. refresh, get, set, and then we're gonna need a public static load seconds from start. Get, set, and then we're gonna, you know, I'm gonna try something. I'm gonna write it in here and then test it out later, just getting it prepared for now. I forgot to switch over to screen 3. Getting it prepared for now. Public static string. Oh, okay, let me check real quick what type of thing it is. Audio clip. Flippity flip. Get. Okay, so now if we go ahead and switch over to import song, we should be able to set and then we should be able to go ahead and load it in. So do I need to import it or something? Perhaps level info dot flippity clip equals clip, and then we can go down here and set level info dot beat trash equals the threshold dot text, and then float dot parse. Did I? I'm pretty sure I have everything proper. Seconds from. So we also need to do level info s from. Okay, wait. Seconds from start equals float dot parse float dot parse from text. We close this, and hopefully, if everything is correct, it should work. I'm scared to look at the Unity right now, but it doesn't seem broken. It seems okay. Okay, now what I need to do is throw this into a non-start thing, where if it's not null, then it's gonna set it to those things. So if we go to level X here, we should be able to change the C music. We do have a D&D script, right? Okay, yeah. So we should also be able to I'm gonna do this on awake since maybe it's causing some problems in there. Okay, there you go. Whatever. Now, on start, we wanted to set to get a reference to master spawner object and to the audio source here. Okay, so public audio source see music again. No, but no. Actually, wait, since we have a reference to see music, we can just like use that to just get the audio source. Nah, actually, no. This will be much faster to do it this way. Well, it's not that sufficient, but faster still. Audio source. Ah, I forgot to switch to Symmetry again. So I wanted to add a master spawner. Are you kidding me? Spawner. Okay. Okay, now that we got those on start, we want to check if level info dot okay, so all of these need to be fulfilled for the level to even start. Thus, even having one of them not being like fulfilled, that will mean that the level didn't start in the first place. So we can do if clippity clip does not equal null, and basically the entire level info array does not equal null. Like, I'm gonna have to write it manually, so give me a sec. Level info does not equal dot seconds from start does not equal null. As a result, this expression is always true since the type of float is never equal to null or of type float. Less than 0 then. It's not equal then. It's not smaller. It's bigger than -1 float. It's bigger than -1 float. Oops. There. Fixed it. It's bigger than -1 float. Okay, so now clippity clip is gonna be like the thing, and so we're gonna wanna set. I'm gonna like set that later. I just wanna test out if the rest of it would work. So random object spawner dot beat. What? Why can't I access its like things? Oh, master spawner dot beat equals level info dot beat, and then audio source the music path dot time equals level info dot start from. Okay, so now it should start from the same time as always, and let's check it out now. Oops, I started here. Okay, doesn't matter. Let's go to level X. Level X main menu. Let's copy over the file location A.12. Let's mute the background audio song thing I have going. And this should allow us to start from 0 seconds at 0.75. Nope. It's not set to an active reference, that's why. Of course. So like, what were these on? I think it was on the music, C music thing. So reference to self and get the reference to like, actually I can just like, give me a sec. This needs to go private. And so we can wait, why am I even doing this specifically? I have a feeling like we don't need to like, don't destroy and load. I think we can just like get the reference to C music's audio source and then set the audio source to like clickbait clip and then play it from here. But give me a second, I will try to do it this way. This is a very third. So what doesn't get loaded? Okay, wait. What I could do is in import song, I could set the game object, which is the music, to not get destroyed by setting audio source object. This should save it from being destroyed, even though it's like being saved on a script from which is gonna be soon destroyed itself. So this being okay, wait. Dot. Where the fuck? C music dot. No, not that. But get component audio source, right? Close that, and this will be C music AS equals that. So now we have that, and we can set the clip as well here, but like, should we? It will provide us a good way to know whether everything is working. So I'll do it. Dot clip equals level info dot clippity clip. Okay, so I'm gonna attach this to Unity so I can enable debugging, and I'm gonna put a few debugger breakpoints over at where like where was it? So where I'm trying to set like stuff on this thing. So level info at 77. What? Not currently hit. Unable to find a corresponding application location. What do you mean it won't be currently hit? Oh right. Am I playing? Oh right, because I'm in not the main menu. Save. Now that I'm here, I can place a bunch of these. Got that. Place a bunch of these where I want them to stop at. And also I need to check something back here. Music. Master spawner will get automatically found. Right. So like so this will not destroy it. It will also get found automatically, I think. No, it won't. Random object spawner will not get found automatically. So basically I need to make sure that like or what? Master spawner equals game object find master spawner what? Get component random object spawner, then close it off. For now, it should work. Let's see. Who knows? Maybe it already worked, and because I forgot to add this, like it wouldn't work. Like, now it will work. Oh shit! Forgot to do this. Well, at least it'll tell us any errors that there are. Okay. I don't know why, but I'm so scared that there's gonna be so many errors. Just so scared. Okay, let's delete this. A.wav, right? I named it A. Yeah, okay. So 0 seconds with 0.3075. Okay, it hit the thing. So let's see. Level info currently has this set to null. After this passes level info's clippity clip variable is set to Unity Engine audio clip, which is good. After the second from start passes, it gets set to 0 because that's like what we asked it to be. I'm gonna place another thing here, and now we have beat threshold of 0.075. Okay, good. Now I'm gonna place stuff here so that like I'm gonna place here, 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 and here. Up. Why did it not hit? Okay, whatever. So master spawner. Okay, I'm gonna have to need the Unity engine. Open volume mixer. Why is volume mixer not showing up? Hello? The fuck? Don't get it. I really don't. Okay, I don't even have those one of those keyboards that allow you to like lower the volume, so you guys are forced to listen to this now. So, is this true? Does not equal null. Okay, good. True, true. So it passes on. That's this spawner. Okay, yeah, good, good. Good time. Clippity clip is set to that. Are you kidding me? Just doesn't work. So, okay. For some reason, setting clippity clip will just prevent it from working. But like the rest, I don't see any issues with it, so I'm just gonna save it like this. Good thing I didn't instantly try to do this because I would have been very upset when it didn't work. Yeah. Anyways, let's go. A.wav 0.075. Let's skip over all of these. Okay, on God, on God, on God. Aw, this is still broken. Don't get it though, why? Beat threshold is set to the proper thing. Minimum scale and max scale is set properly. Wait time 4.3 seconds. Oh wait, is it using the other thing? I think it's using the other Steam music? What happens if we... What are you doing? What are you doing? But I don't want this Steam music to be like the one that you're using. Both are audio sources. Why the fuck would you not accept one of them but accept the other? Okay, wait. Do I just need to pass the master spawner as well? And that do not destroy things? Since, like, this just makes no sense. Why the fuck would this not work? Choice from behavior origin. It's like the component script is like very what am I supposed to do? Here you can see me slowly descending in madness. So, like, this should be transferring the audio clip, but, like, it's not. It is not. Okay, what happens when we do, like, that? What's it called? Dot clip equals level info dot clip. Okay, I'm gonna switch this lo-fi thing because, like, it kind of sucks, honestly. Okay. Now we have these. And let's set up a breakpoint here so that we know what happens. Also, let's remove this do not destroy part of this thing. Well, let's not remove it, let's just make it a comment. And let's see how it works out. A dot log 0 threshold 0.075. And okay, yeah, continue with that, whatever. So now it sets the clip threshold. But like, why does the clip just die instantly? So, why does this thing just die? Oh wait, it might just stop playing it. Might be that. cmusic dot cmusic as dot play equals true. What? Oh, it's a method. Play. Okay, let's save it. Okay, let's play. A.love 0 my 0.075. Okay, yeah. Okay, so clip it's clip. Okay, good. That did nothing. It's playing true. What? Like it. Oh. Okay. This should make it work. Okay, I'm gonna remove these since I want to see if it works without these. Okay, yeah. Everything works now. Oh, Jesus fucking Christ, that's fast. Ah, man. Okay, so that works. We have managed to fix that issue. Now, any type of song will work. Let's go ahead and download some song from YouTube. I want to see. Actually, I want to check out if my stream is working out properly because I haven't checked out that yet. It's just like. Yeah, so my microphone is basically non-existent, huh? Why the hell is there such a big delay? Why the hell is there such a big delay? Okay. So now my microphone should be enough to like overpower the lo-fi shit. The lo-fi shit box. Okay. Right, I was gonna download some other song to test out. Am I running out of storage? Am I recording this? Why am I running out of storage? How am I running out of storage? I'm not recording. Okay. I just search music and like, let's see what comes up if you search music. Like, That's definitely okay. This is definitely not copyright. Well, even if it is, it's probably not gonna get me instantly copyright struck. So let's go ahead and download it real quick. MP3. Also, yes, you have to convert it to a WAV file. So let's go ahead and do that. Oh boy. Wow. I forgot because I'm streaming the upload is gonna be very slow. Let's pause the music now. Let's switch over to Unity. I will rename this thing to B so that I can easily write it in. And let's go ahead and press play here. So I'm gonna start off with like my default of 0.055 for my beat threshold. Zero. Oops, please. Actually, wait a second. Nah, YouTube doesn't save files in like YouTube doesn't keep their files in like a .wav, so I can't do that. B.wav. Beat threshold is gonna be 0.055. I forgot to remove these. So it's close to 0.055. Okay, so let's go ahead and let's try that again. I should probably add the thing that a thing that writes to a file that keeps your like recently played ones. Start from seconds, 0.0325 maybe. That's a bit too much. Oh, holy shit. Oh my god. Yeah, at least it works. Oopsies. I wonder what would be better. Maybe like 3.5 instead of 2.5. .wav from 0 to 0.35. Okay, yeah, that's better. That's better. Okay. Yeah, we could probably just skip to like the start point of the lyrics, like 4 seconds before the start point of the lyrics. Because I mean, that's like how I meant like for that to be used. So 17 seconds minus 4, that would be 13. Let's start at 13 seconds. Downloads b.wav. and then 13, and then 0.035. Import. Oh my god! Yeah, that's weird. Okay, that's weird. So for some reason it didn't set the seconds on the second try. Like everything else works. The beat threshold gets set, the clippity clip thing gets set, everything else gets set, but like it doesn't play properly. Okay, let's set the delay. Let's set two things here so that we can observe the differences made. So 13 seconds, right? 13 seconds, 0.055, since it's clear that, like, okay. Okay, so let's see if this sets it. So this is set to 13. Like, does dot play change it or something? Still seconds from this is still like, oh, that's set to what? Yeah. Let's get hit by it so that we can go back over here. Uh so time currently is set to 0, but like it still is set to 0. What? Maybe I need to do it after. Oh, I think it can't set it. Okay, yeah, okay. Attached to Unity. I think it can't set the time unless you have like the clip already set. So that's why I had this issue then. Well, a good thing to find out something like this before you release the version of the game that's gonna be featured in. Oh god. Oops, is that. Let's go ahead and wait. Let's see if I can drag. No, I can't drag and drop stuff. Sag. Song beat.wav 0 seconds 0.055, actually not 0 seconds, 13 seconds, and then import. Okay, yeah, you set that, and then we go. So now the time is gonna be set to 0, but like the clip already exists, so if we press this, no, why? This is set to 13, so why does it not get set? What? What do you, what? What? So you're telling me that even though it didn't set it, it then set it. What? Okay, I don't know how this works, but it works. I don't care to find out why it works, because it might end up fucking it up. Goodbye. Yeah, alright. Okay, so let's stop the attach thing. And now what I'm gonna work on next is a recently played tab. So that you can like play games, play the ones that you played recently. I'm also eventually gonna work on a network. I'm also gonna work on a server connection where you can play other people's presets, because some people might make a better preset than you, and like you, or you can't be bothered to like fidget around with the presets and like stuff. And I'm pretty sure it's gonna be pretty easy to like do it. Pretty sure. Like zip it up, send it to a server accepts it, then like us client, you can then request it from server that lists it in the thing in like some drop down menu, and then you can like just, it downloads the song as well as everything, and then like extracts it. So how do we start working on the recently played tab? So we're gonna need to like, let's open up Paint. I'm gonna make a new scene for this. Okay, so let's stretch to screen. So we're gonna have a thing. We're gonna have a txt file. Oh, let's just do this. So there's gonna be a txt file in your documents. In your documents slash Avalanche, Vaporwave, whatever. It doesn't matter. So this is gonna chill in there. It's gonna be called RP, and it's gonna stand for recently played. Let's just finish adding txt. What it's gonna contain is gonna be, let's go ahead and draw a line down here. What it's gonna contain is gonna be, actually it's not gonna be a txt, it's gonna be a JSON. JSON. What it's gonna contain is gonna be, it's like beat trash. Beat trash. It's gonna contain its file path. And finally, it's gonna contain the seconds. Start from. Okay, so all of these are gonna be stored in a JSON file, and hopefully it'll work perfectly. So how do we start off with this? We're gonna create a new level. Not a new level. We're gonna create a new script called recently played. And we're also gonna create a new thing in the canvas. Let's switch over to this. We're gonna create a new thing in the canvas. A drop down. Drop down. Drop down. There we go. It's gonna contain a drop down menu. Label. It's gonna be previously played. And then we're gonna move this. Oopsies, I meant to move the drop down. Then we're gonna move the previously played thing up in this corner right here, so that when we wanna play something, we can just select like that, and then we can play it. So let's go ahead and start working on it. Let's drop in the recently played in here. And these, we're gonna remove these, since like it's gonna have to be empty. Label remains, right? So I deleted the label. What I meant to write in the label was, and I quote, recently played levels. Okay, done. Why does it not click? Recently played. Okay, now we go back over to here, and we are going to go ahead and open up our script, the one we made a bit ago. Recently played. I doubt I'm gonna finish it today, but I'm gonna start it today. So we grabbed the recently played thing. What's it called? So, okay, to start off, we're gonna check if, on every start, it's gonna check if file path, okay, I need to insert the Unity Engine IO, or was it System IO? Yeah, it was System IO. If file path file that exists, and then like we're gonna add documents. Okay, c2 dot slash user. All right, it's supposed to be a string. And also, that's not how you do it. Let me go check how I did it for this. So file path ended up being file, and then like, okay, yeah, so to check file exists, file path ends up being like that. Okay, so if file exists, and then that file is going to be c2 dot slash users user current user. What was the thing for a current user? Username. Do I need to like use double of these? I feel like I need to. Otherwise it won't work. C users username. Then documents. Then Vaporwave Avalanche. Then rp.json. if file exists, do nothing else. File dot create. Okay, wait, first let's do without this. And then if file exists this, then we can do another if statement in here. If file dot exists second, oh damn, I forgot. File exists second path, rp.json, then do nothing for now. Else file create path file options. That's all. Okay. Buffer size and file options. Was it file create or folder create? File dot folder. If file exists, then do nothing else. File create rp.json. Okay, good. So let's see if everything is working now. Do not find part of the path. So did it create it though? Because like you're reporting an error on the 21st line, if I'm correct. Outline. This gives me nothing useful. Oh, yeah, line 21. So I'm assuming it can't find username. Oh, I guess I can just do what this guy did. So environment.username. Let's see if that works. Let's go scene 3. And so we want to add environment.username, not this. Okay, so at the start, we will add public string, actually private string username equals environment. Do I need to get system.environment or something? Using system.env. Oh. I'm trying to use the property environment username from like the thing. System.runtime? Oh. I cannot seem to get this thing. System.environment maybe? Oh, yeah. System.environment. That username. Okay, good. Finally. So now we can delete these and then close off this and then plus this, and then we can add a username in between, and that works. Let's copy this over a bunch of times. Actually, we need to copy over including this. All right, so that should work now. Now when I press play, it should create it. Well, yeah, that's what you're... You motherfucker. Which part of the path can you not find? That's my question. Oh. So, what do you mean the path and name of that file when it fucking says that you can't fucking find the file? Oh my god, my brain hurts. Nope. Fucking, why would it actually find the fucking path? Why would it actually find the path? It's almost like it actually exists, but it doesn't want to fucking find it. Oh, shut your ass, right? Like, I know this path exists. Hmm? Let's see. Users. Ah, doesn't. It no, it didn't. Fucking hey. Ah, of course. Of course. Of course. It still can't find it. Even though the thing is literally right there. This PC, users, file, document. Right there. It's got that right there. The fuck you want? Oh my fucking god. Access to the path is denied. What the fuck do you mean access to the path is denied? No, I don't want you. Oh, great. Create directory. For fuck's sake. That took way too long. Oh, what? What? Create directory. Okay. So now it should work. Okay. I'm assuming that created a new directory here. Yeah, Vaporwave Avalanche. Why did it not fucking create a fucking file? What the fuck? I just realized I forgot to copy this, so okay. We now have rp.json file. Now I need to find out how to read and write JSON files. Unity. What is simple JSON? And how do you install it? Is there like... There's literally no way to install it, is there? there's, no, there's no way to install it. What the hell? Text application. Yeah, I'm just gonna ask ChatGPT if it's online. Write and read data from and to JSON files in Unity. Let's see what it thinks on how to like do this. Well, it's gonna actually tell me how to read stuff too. Good. Okay, cool. Let's copy over this code, which will be useful for me. This closes this, so we can just copy it like this up to this, and then just replace it with this. This one. There, that works. So do I need to go do these and like, okay, so I think I might need to add these over in level info. Let's just go ahead and drop these here. Let's put this system serializable above this. And let's remove these. Let's also add a public static string. Path to song, get and set. And then we can go here and create a sample object or JSON. What is sample object though? Why is sample object does not? Why does this thing not exist? Local variable. Okay, so we can just search what this thing is. Sample object classes decorative system serializer. Okay, so we need to. Okay, so we need to level info. New level info. Level. So what stuff do we have here? A path to song. Second from start. What? Why? Does it need to be non-static for it to work? Pretty sure if I remove the static of it, it's not gonna be able to like read in many of these things. Like now it just doesn't even give the things. Yeah, no. Okay, I'm not deleting public static class out of there. So I guess we need to like be smart about this. And we played. Okay, we're gonna create a function. We're gonna create a function here. So, well, this doesn't need to be in static. This doesn't need to be in this. This needs to be outside of this. So, public void. What would it be called? Let's call it add to played, and then we will ask the user. We will ask for string level path. No, file path. What did we also want to contain here? File path start from and beat threshold. Float start from and float beat thresh. Okay, so now we will insert this system serializable and everything like this. We'll add system serializable outside of this since it needs to be outside, and then we'll create public string So we want to have public string and then the name of, oh, I forgot to switch to scene 3. So we want public string, and then the name of, how's it called? File path. Then we want public float beat thresh and public float start. And then here we can create a new thing. Okay, there we go. So dot file path dot beat thresh and sample object dot start from. So start from beat thresh file path. No, not file path. So now we got that, we will go ahead and then do JSON, and then we'll write it to this thing. Need to write it into not JSON. JSON. This is the path to it. Contents JSON. So now we will be able to like write into it stuff. And since this gets executed publicly, it doesn't matter. And from here, we need to go ahead and save this. Let's call sample object level. Oops. Actually, yeah, sure. Level info doesn't matter. Whatever we changed here, everything will still work. DND script. No imports long. Okay, so now we need to execute this before we unload the main menu. Recently played dot add to played. All right, because this isn't a public class, we're going to find a reference to it. Public recently played RP, and then RP dot what the fuck was the thing? Public void add to played. And then we need file path, which is easy enough. We just paste in the don't pass through file path, do we? Oh, file name. No, it's not a public thing. Interesting. Then like let's create a public string, well, private string. No. Yeah, sure, private string of file path string, and then set that private string of file path with GUI. What? Dot equals file path. So now this means that we get the file path once this passes. And once we get the file path, we can go ahead and RP add to played file path from. We can go ahead as from beat trash. Float dot parse. Okay, so let's save that. Okay, wait, what were we? Okay, so this like execute when we press import on scene loaded actually. Executes on scene loaded. Okay, so currently there's nothing there, which is good, which means that there won't be any issues. Jason! Downloads. "13 seconds, 0.055, import." What do you mean check didn't pass? Alright, b.12. Huh? It didn't unload. It didn't unload for some reason. Okay, let's see if at least we got any data written. Open with Notepad. Nope, we didn't get any data. So let's add a pause break here attached to Unity. Oh wait, input song. What part of it? CS112. Null reference, object reference not set to an instance, but like which object? You can't just tell me, oh, object not reference. It's like the thing, hey, something's wrong. We won't tell you what's wrong, even though we know what's wrong. Scene loaded. Object reference not import song on load scene. Scene. Fuck do you mean? Yeah, let's try this again. 8.12, 0.075. So this is just to check if it's playing or not, and then now we can see if everything is set. So this is set. S from text is set. Beat threshold is set. Audio source is set. What isn't? This makes no sense. This makes zero approximate sense. I'm gonna stop the stream here. See you guys next time.